How to add captions to YouTube short. So if you want to automatically add captions to your YouTube short, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. With the new YouTube feature, you can add or generate captions on your YouTube short without using a third-party application. So all you just need to do is go ahead and open the YouTube application on your phone. This could be on Android and it could be on iPhone. Then click on the plus icon. Now you want to go ahead and then record your YouTube short. So you can either record your YouTube short or upload your YouTube short. And once you're done recording your YouTube short, then go ahead and click on the stop button. Then click on the check mark. Once you click on the check mark, then you should see captions here. Click on that. And then you should see automatically generating the caption. You see that? Then click on YouTube sound here and then change the YouTube font. So you can just change the YouTube font, then change the coloration like this, and then click on the check button. Then you can just drag and drop the YouTube short captions to whatever you want to drop it. Then you see that? So that is how you can easily add captions to your YouTube short. And once you're done, click on next, and then go ahead and upload your YouTube short. The captions will be added to it, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to add captions to YouTube short. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.